Okay. This is Stephen Jeter, calling case C485115. Count one, violation of governor's executive order. Count two, indecent and obscene conduct. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. For the fact that Stephen Barker appearing on behalf of defendant Stephen Jeter, and my P number is 36030.
Good morning. And Mr. Jeter, can you state your full name, please?
Stephen M. Jeter, Jeter.
Thank you. And as we discussed, Attorney Barker, today is the date for a pretrial. However, we do not have a state prosecutor in the building or to communicate with today, and there's no offer on the file. So I will set this for another pretrial date. You have, I'm thinking maybe 3 weeks out should be enough time.
Yes, Your Honor. I will be out of town until September 10th. So something
Okay.
after that.
Let's do September 16th.
Unfortunately, I will be in the trial that day, Your Honor.
Okay. What other day that week works for you?
The 14th or 15th, either one of those will be fine.
Let's do the 15th.
At 8:45 again, Your Honor?
Yes. Yep.
Very good.
What day was that, I'm sorry?
September 15th at 8:45.
Thanks, John.
You're welcome. You'll have a good
Thank
day.
you. Thank you, Your Honor. Be safe and be well.
Okay. You too. Have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
Your Honor, I'll take Lorenzo Johnson next.
Okay. Lorenzo Johnson, where are you? Lorenzo Johnson, can you please say something? I don't see you identified out here. Mr. Johnson? I still can't hear you. Try unmuting one more time.
Can you hear me now?
I sure can. I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to your attorney, Mr. Potts, about your case, okay?
Okay.
And what is your name again? You state your name?
Lorenzo Johnson.
Thank you.
Lorenzo Anthony Johnson.
Okay.
I see she's put him in a separate breakout room. And she's trying to. There he goes. Come on, Dad, pick me next. Come on, give her my phone.
Miss Amanda, good morning. Can you unmute your phone?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What is your first name?
Amanda
I'm sorry, your last name.
Jones.
Jones. Okay, I have you identified. I'm going to put you back on mute until your case is up, okay?
Thank you.
You are welcome. Okay.
I grab mine.
Oh, I think so. Is there Mr. Jafar on the call?
Yeah, he has to talk to
Mr. Jafar, can you unmute your phone?
Yes, I heard. Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Do you need an interpreter?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I have
and
my
then-
wife. My wife.
No, we need a certified. We need someone certified to interpret.
Okay.
Let's see here. don't know. What case is 105? Ms. Zentner,
Yes, Your Honor.
good morning.
Good morning. I'm here with my client.
Mr. Foster?
Yes, Your Honor. Do we have an
Okay,
offer on the,
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
do we have an offer on that file, Your Honor?
Let me see, we're gonna pull it right now. You gonna have a Timothy Foster?
There's an offer, and I was trying to talk to her earlier, but she's muted.
Oh. Okay, so there is an offer for your client to plead responsible to blockading traffic with the remaining count of driving while license not valid to be dismissed.
That's fine, Your Honor. And that's for both of them, Your Honor?
Yes.
There should be an 810T. Yep, that's
Yep,
it. It's fine, Your Honor.
Okay, where's your client on the call?
Right there. Can you see him?
Oh, you said he's with you, okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, are you ready to go?
Yeah, Your Honor.
Okay,
morning, Your Honor.
let's knock this one out. Calling cases SP 105-74081, the people versus Timothy Foster. One count of driving while license not valid or improper license, and SP 105-74071, speeding 1 to 5 miles per hour over the posted speed. Appearance?
For the record, Your Honor, Diane Zettner on behalf of Timothy Foster, P number 59784.
And sir, can you state your name for the record?
Timothy Foster.
And also, Officer Harris, can you state your name for the record?
The Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And it's correct, Mr. Foster, that you're going to take the offer today and plead responsible to one count of blockading traffic, which is a 0-point offense?
Yes.
Okay. Is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the purposes of the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I will accept the responsible plea. I will amend the charge to blockading traffic pursuant to the recommendation and dismiss the remaining count. For Mr. Foster, what I'm doing during the pandemic, I am waiving fines and costs. So it would typically be $175, but it'll be $0 for you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
Have a
All
great,
right, officer.
thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Bye-bye, Your Honor. Thank you.
You all have a good one.
You too.
Your Honor, I'll take let's see what Jones this is. Anthony Jones next.
Did you call me, Michael Frazier?
Not yet.
All right.
Not yet, Mr. Frazier. You said Anthony Jones?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. And then I'll start calling some of these cases to clear out the breakout rooms. Mr. Jones, can you hear me? Anthony Jones? I can't hear you though. I can see your mouth moving, but I can't hear anything.
You talking to me, Judge, or?
You're talking to Mr. Anthony Jones.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Jones, try hanging up and calling back in. And then I'll ask you if you can hear, okay? So just hang up, call back in, we'll still be here. Okay, let's see, is there a Monique Floyd checked in? No, okay. Let's see, other officers on the call, I wanna see if they're people checked in. Guyani? Officer Guyani, can you hear me? Gianni? I'm sorry, how do you say your name?
Morning, Your Honor. It's Officer Gianni.
Gianni? Good morning.
Good morning.
Who are you here for today?
I'm here for Miss Angela James.
Angela James, okay. Okay. Angela James. Oh, it is. Mr. Jones, Anthony Jones, can you hear me? Still can't hear your audio.
Yeah.
Okay, Attorney Potts, who else do you want to speak to?
I'm trying to read this. Who this is?
Turn it sideways to read it.
Yeah, it came in upside down.
I'm sorry.
I think it's Jafar.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Jafar, we may need an interpreter. You want me to put you in the breakout room to see if he can understand or not? Because I don't know.
We can try.
Okay.
Person, and I'm gonna handle the two retained matters that I have. Okay, Harper has a lot, so you ready to write? Yes. All right, Miss Harper has. She has a drive on.
Mr. Jafar, what's your first name?
My first name Bahaldeen, last name Jaffer.
Jafar. Okay. Go ahead and accept the invitation to go into a breakout room, Mr. Jafar. Attorney Jones? Mr. Gilbert, good morning.
Good morning.
What is your first name?
Joel, Joel.
Last name Gilbert, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think you're in the wrong courtroom. Oh, police officer. You're a police officer.
Hi. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're not in the right courtroom.
Oh, I'm still not in the right courtroom, huh?
I think you are. Who are you here for?
One second. Jackson T.
Your Honor, Mr. Jafar is on the calendar for review.
Okay.
So I'm not sure because there's an offer for him, but it says it's set for review.
Yes, it's a review. He was supposed to take care of 24 hours of community service, get tested, and go to John school.
Okay. So I guess I can go back and ask him if he did that.
Yeah.
And I guess
And then
we have to call probation too.
No, he's not on probation.
Okay. I'll go back and see if he did what he's supposed to do.
Thank you. And Gilbert Travis Jackson. Okay, I see you. Right. I don't think Jackson has checked in yet. If anybody, any officers on the cases, if they haven't checked in yet, you all can go ahead and log off because their cases were at 8:30. I'm giving people 30 minutes to call in. It's been 45 minutes. So about at 9, if person hasn't checked in, you all can log off.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Still people unidentified on here, so let me check for other people. Whose number is 784-8709?
Alicia Ford.
Alicia Ford?
Yes.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. Sorry I was late coming in.
You still made it in time. Okay, I got you identified. I'm going to put you on mute until your case is called, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hi, this is, what are we
Oh, go ahead.
checking?
What's your name?
I'm sorry?
What is your name?
Terrence Reginald Ford McLemore.
Okay, I didn't get any of that, what you just said. Can you say it again?
Ford McLemore.
First one is on 8:30.
Terrence.
Ford. Got
Yeah.
it. Okay, good morning. Thank you.
Good morning.
So hold tight. We'll get you in the breakout room to speak to your attorney shortly, okay?
Okay.
Good morning, Attorney Bazi.
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
What do you have today?
I have Nathaniel Cornelius Jones. I believe I checked in and he should be here. Not sure if he's logged on or not.
Nathaniel Jones. I don't see him on here.
Yeah, I'll double check. I'm gonna stop my video, mute my phone. I'll call him.
Okay, we're here.
Thank you.
Okay, one person.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Johnson, I'm putting you back on mute. Just hold tight.
Okay, thank you.
Huh? And officer, I didn't get your name. With the iPhone Under Armour shirt?
Officer James Reeves.
James Reeves, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
And who are you here for?
I'm here for Mr. Kelvin Johnson.
Kelvin Johnson, okay, so he's here. Let's get his file. Uh-huh. And Mr. Johnson, I'm going to put you into a breakout room next as soon as the attorney comes back so you can talk to Mr. Potts about your matter, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Just hold tight.
Oh, I can change that.
Okay, Attorney Potts, I got one more I'm going to put you into and then I'm going to start calling some cases, okay? You're muted, hold on.
Hello?
Is
Judge? This is Attorney Jones. Listen, I've got to go.
What'd you say, Attorney Potts?
is this Johnson?
Kelvin Johnson?
Yes.
It's for an offer for failure to display, improper place.
No, there must be another Johnson. I'm trying to identify the ticket number.
1 second, Attorney Jones. We're in the middle of putting somebody in the breakout room, then I'll get to you. Kelvin Johnson is.
It looks like Theodore Johnson that I have the offer for.
Okay, I wanted to do Kelvin so we can get Officer Reeves out of here. Kelvin Johnson. He has
Okay.
2 counts. It's in the 835 on the second page.
Yeah,
In
I
the
have
middle.
it.
Okay. So I'm gonna put you in with him so we can get officer right here.
Is there an offer on that one?
Improper plates.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is the breakout room open?
Yep. I moved you to breakout room 1.
1? Okay.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can
Hey,
hear
my
you.
name is CR Johnson. I'm trying to, I don't know what to do, man.
Mr. Johnson, can you just please stay on mute until I call your case? Just give us the moment. We got a lot of people on the call. Just hold tight. Just stay on mute until I call your case, okay?
Oh, okay, I got you. All right.
Thank you. Attorney Jones.
Yes.
Okay, I have an offer. Do you want to hear the offer or do you have somewhere else to go?
I want to hear their offer, but is there an officer on that case?
Yes.
They're here?
We have Gianni Jones.
Good. Let's put the officer and the prosecutor and myself in the breakout room because we might be able to get.
1 second, Attorney Jones. Let me get the document here.
We should be able to get this case done because he'll look at you and see it ain't you.
Well, no, he the one who put me over in May. The other one for my sister, this
Okay, I don't know why, Attorney Jones, where'd you go? I had to unmute you. For some reason, half of the counts were set for a pretrial and half were set for a trial.
It sounds like a court error.
Okay, well, that's what it is. So I can address the trial ones today and either you can set the other ones for a trial date or resolve the pretrial count today. So that's up to you.
All right, let's go ahead and get those trial ones dismissed.
Okay, so to for 2 counts because Officer Gianni is here.
What are the counts for the Officer Gianni?
Driver's license expired, 1 count.
Okay, and so is the prosecutor available? Maybe we can get a blockading or something, or impeding traffic.
For what?
For the DWLS. For a reduced count, so it doesn't end up with points on the record.
There is an offer on the case.
What is the offer?
So I'm trying to address your first issue of the no officers being here. So I'm trying to get those sorted out for you and then deal with the offer that's left because you have no officers who haven't shown up and then you have pre-trials and you have trials separated. So for the other 2 cases, Officer Jerry Jones, in those 2 counts, actually more than 2 counts. His driver's license expired, driving while licensed suspended, driving while unlicensed, and expired plates, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, and no proof of insurance. So actually 6 counts will be dismissed for no officer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And then you'd be left with 2 failure to display and a driver's license expired.
Okay.
So what I can do is have the prosecutor look at those 3 counts and see what she can do. You want me to
Thank
do
you
that?
so much. Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay.
Your Honor, is it possible for me to speak with Officer Reeves on the Kelvin Johnson matter?
Sure. I'm going to close all these breakout rooms and then open them back up.
Okay.
Mr. Johnson keeps asking me to come to the breakout room over and over and over and over. I need to get him out of there. Mr. Johnson, do you need
Yes.
help? Keep asking for help.
All right. And that's all I'm trying to do.
I'm just putting you on mute, okay? Just stay on mute until I call your case, okay?
All right.
You want to speak to Officer Reeves, correct?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes.
My client signed in, but it shows under Ali.
Oh, okay.
His boss is right there trying to come on the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that was
Mr. Jones, take off your hat.
So, for Ms. James, there's no officer. The changes. These are the no officers.
Mr. Prosecutor?
Everything
One
was,
second, Attorney Jones.
was set for trial.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so that's, all right.
So Attorney Jones wants to speak to you.
Your Honor, Officer Reeves, and he can put this on the record, is willing to dismiss the matters now. I don't know if you can do it based on his recommendation or if you need the city attorney to write it up.
Put on the record.
What's the charge?
It's for no insurance and driving unregistered or untitled.
Coleman, that was for charges.
Pardon me?
Both charges, Officer Reed was recommending a dismissal?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Johnson, where are you? Kelvin Johnson? Okay.
right here, Your Honor.
Calling case P1072946, the People versus Kelvin Johnson, count 1, no insurance, count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Coleman Potts, P78607, on behalf of Mr. Johnson, who appears by Zoom. Mr. Johnson, please state your name for the record, sir.
Kelvin Johnson.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for, I believe, trial date in this matter, and there is a recommendation that both matters be dismissed. As the court to adopt that recommendation.
Okay, and appearances for the people from the department, police department.
Sydney Rogers for the People, P82072. Officer Reeves, can you please put your appearance on the record with your badge number?
Officer James Reeves, badge 4462 with the 7th Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. Based on the officer's recommendation, I am making a recommendation myself to dismiss both charges.
Okay, and I will adopt that recommendation and dismiss both counts without prejudice. Mr.
Thank you, Judge.
Kelvin, you're welcome. You're all set, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. Okay. Attorney Jones. Where'd he go? Yes. Did you want to speak to Ms. Rogers in private?
Yes.
Okay, she doesn't have Zoom. She's sitting right here in the courtroom. So
Okay.
She has some offers.
Well, no, I can talk with her over YouTube, Judge.
Okay, she's writing the offer now. Do you want to wait till after the offer is written?
If she can tell me what the offer is, I can relay it to my client.
She's still writing it. soon as she's done, I'll let you know.
Okay.
You gonna have a Marcus Holt?
Attorney Jones, it's Sydney Rogers, the prosecutor that's handling this case.
Yes.
Hi, I'm reviewed the matters. The ones that with officers here, there is 3 counts with officers here, and only 1 is a city count, and I'm a city attorney, so that's a driving while license expired, and I'm amending that down to an FTD.
Failure to display.
Correct.
And what was the date on that ticket?
That is 5/9/2020. Ticket ends in 575.
Well, during that period of time, that's when the COVID was going on, and the Secretary of State was closed. So when I've done these cases in other cities, you know, they give them a non-pointable offense, something that won't abstract.
And FTD carries no points.
No points? Okay.
The driver's license has been expired since 2007.
Yeah, I understand that, but she might have wanted to get it fixed in 2020, even though the COVID was going on. The COVID was going on, stopped her from getting her license straightened out.
She had about 13 years to do so.
I understand all that.
I agree with the officer, and this is a very generous offer to begin with. I did
Okay.
have a question regarding a ticket that was in the no PO pile, but it's all civil infractions in default. I don't think it's on the docket.
No, I thought they're not on the docket, Your Honor?
They're already in default, the civil infractions.
Okay. How many civil infractions does she have?
I think we should have you all on a private call because we're holding up everybody else in the courtroom.
I'll go
Not
that
to
way.
it's not.
You're fine.
But I need to get these people out of here, so I need to get everybody out of here. We got officers and other attorneys. So,
Okay.
Ms. Rogers is going to give you a call so y'all can talk privately so you can move the docket, okay?
Okay. Let me give you a phone number then.
You want a number or you want to do it?
I'll do it
Eight-
for myself. Great.
Okay.
850-7906. And that's area code 313.
Thank you. Okay.
Is that for me?
I'm sorry, what'd you say, officer?
Is that for me as well? Going in the breakout room or?
Her service isn't working, her Wi-Fi, so she's gonna call Attorney Jones on his
Okay.
cell phone. So if you want to hang on when Ms. Rogers comes back down, or I don't know what you wanna do, basically just wait till they get done talking.
Well, with his, Judge, we already agreed to a failure to display on his, so he can leave.
He can stay too if he wants, that's why I'm.
He could.
It's up to
But I'm-
you. Ms.
but I'm-
Rogers will be back.
Okay, so it is going to go to failure to display?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then.
After Ms. Rogers talks to Attorney Jones, then we'll know what's going on.
Okay, all right, I'll stay on. Thank you.
Okay, Attorney Bosley?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, who do you said Aliyah is your client is on the Zoom.
Yeah, it says Ali, but it's Nathaniel Cornelius Jones.
Okay. Mr. Jones, can you unmute your phone? Your device.
He's not gonna know how to do it. Let me just, okay, there she is. There she is.
Attorney Potts, while we're doing that, you want to, I have a Mr. Foltz file.
Who?
Mr. Foltz.
Okay.
Sorry, Marcus Foltz. I'm getting all these names mixed up today.
Okay. I don't know if I have an offer for him. The last offer I think I got was for Ford. Alicia Ford.
Foltz would be fair to display.
Okay. Yeah, I'll speak with him.
Okay, Mr. Foltz, go ahead and unmute your device.
Yeah,
Good morning. I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Mr. Potts about your offer, okay?
okay.
So go ahead and accept that invite. Okay, and now we have Mr. Jones. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Good morning. So there is no offer yet, Attorney Bozzi, on this case from the state?
Today's a bench trial, Judge. I was just wondering what time do you default the officer? I don't see him checked in.
9:30. Does it say pretrial? I have pretrial on the docket here, Attorney Bozzi.
Okay. I had it as a trial. Can we set it for a trial then, I guess? Since there's no offer?
Yes. Let's do September 30th. Does that work for you?
It should work. Yeah, there's plenty of time.
Okay. By that time, there'll be an offer, and if there's no offer, if there's no officer, then I'll dismiss it on the day.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'm going to call the case. Calling case 403-928, the people versus Nathaniel Jones, one count of violation of executive order. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Hassan Bey on behalf of Nathaniel Jones, who is present via Zoom P78448. Mr. Jones, state your name for the record.
Nathaniel Cornelius Jones.
Your Honor, at this time, we're asking for a bench trial.
Okay, Mr. Jones, do you understand you have a right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything for you to waive your right to that jury trial?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I will continue your not guilty plea and set your trial date for September 30th at 8:30 a.m. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You are all set. You'll have a good day.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day to you and your staff.
Thanks. You too. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Attorney Jones. Hold on, Mr. Jafar. Hold on.
Yeah, okay.
Gary Jones. Attorney Jones. Okay. All right, Mr. Potts, let's get some of these cases called.
Yes, Your Honor.
The offer is for fair to display and expired plates.
Okay, she wants to avail herself of that offer, and we want the court to dismiss the state cases. Use your discretion under that memo so that we can, she's pleading to the city ones. We'll dismiss the state ones, and then we can get her some license.
Do you want the offer for fair to display and expired plates? Is that what we're going to do?
Yeah, yes, but what the prosecutor told me, there's no state prosecutor, and you have discretion on the state files. That's what the prosecutor just told me.
I was just stating the overall offer is for failure to display and for expired plates, not just the city offer.
Yes, we want that for the city offer.
That's the overall offer for all the counts. Do you want
Okay,
that
that's
offer?
what she wants.
Okay. All right. Before I call the case, Attorney Potts, have you talked to Mr. Ford McLemore?
State Farm. I have not.
Okay. That'll be a failure to display as well.
Okay.
And by that time, then we should start moving with these cases. Mr. Ford McLemore, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
I'm going to put you into a breakout room to talk to your attorney in private about your matters, okay?
I think I still need to talk to Anthony Jones as well because I don't think his phone was working the first time.
It's still not working, I don't think. Mr. Jones, can you say something so I can see if your phone's working? We're going to have you call into the court. because we still can't hear you.
Okay.
I'm gonna move you to breakout room number 2. Mr. Jones?
Jones, Attorney
I'm
Jones?
sorry. Attorney Jones, yeah, you stay right there. Mr. Anthony Jones, take this number down. I'm gonna have you call the court.
That's what you do.
313-965-2285. Go ahead and log off and call into the court, and we'll have you on the telephone to do your case, okay? I don't think he needs one. I don't think so. He understood everything. Thank you. Mr. Jones, can I get a thumbs up if you heard what I said? I can't hear you. Did you get the number? Did you give me a thumbs up if you heard the number? Did you hear the number, yes or no? Yes, there we go, okay. Go ahead and log off and call the court, and we'll answer your call and do it through the phone. Okay, Attorney Jones?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where is your client?
My client is here.
Ms. James?
Here, Miss James.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, good morning.
Morning.
Calling case is P121717, People versus Angela James. Failure to display a valid operator's license. P982660, failure to display a valid operator's license. P1061486, driver's license expired, driver's license suspended. Count 3, driving while unlicensed. P1082575, driver's license expired. And P1061407, count 1, expired plates. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. And count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearance?
Your Honor, may it please this honorable court, Gary Jones, P number 56072, appearing on behalf of Angela James.
Ms. James, can you state your name, please?
Angela James.
And officer, I think it's just Gianni?
Officer Gianni, ma'am.
Okay. And as we discussed, the offer here is for your client to plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid operator's license and for 1 count of a similar infraction for expired plates. Does your client want to take that offer?
Yes, she does, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. James, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah,
Did you say yeah?
I said yes.
Okay.
She said yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today in private about your matters?
Yes, I did.
Okay, gotta
You
speak
put
up
your
a little
hand
bit. Attorney Jones, I can barely hear her.
I was telling her she needs to put her hand down. Here.
There we go. Okay, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yeah.
You understand, Ms. James? Pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, you wish to continue and plead guilty.
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to May 9th, 2020, around 5:10 p.m. in the area of Jefferson and Gray in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2006 GMC white vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
Did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
And also on January 31st, 2020, Ms. James, were you operating a 2002 tan GMC vehicle with expired plates?
Yeah.
Okay. Satisfied with that one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I will dismiss the remaining counts. There stipulation of probable cause.
We stipulate the probable cause, Judge.
Okay, and due to the pandemic, I'm gonna waive your fines and costs, Ms. James, so that's gonna save you over $400, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set. You all have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your
Judge,
Honor.
is there anything she needs to do, Your Honor?
She has to pay some reinstatement fees to the Secretary of State.
Okay, does she pay those at 36 or will she go to the Secretary of State?
She can pay online on 36 website. That's the easiest.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Thank you,
Okay.
Officer Young.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Oh. Mr. Jones? Good morning. You probably will have to be last. So just hold tight, okay? Okay, let's start calling some folks. Tisha Jackson, did you speak to Ms. Jackson, Attorney Fox? Ms.
Yes.
Jackson, you already spoke, okay. Let's take care of her matter. Filing case 281234, People versus Tisha Marie Jackson, count 1, uninsured vehicle, count 2, unregistered vehicle. Appearance?
For the record, Your Honor, Colton Potts, on behalf of Ms. Jackson. Ms. Jackson, please state your name for record, ma'am.
Tisha Marie Jackson.
Your Honor, I believe there's a recommendation that my client plead guilty to improper plates as the court to adopt the recommendation. And for the purposes of arraignment, we will waive a formal reading, stand mute, enter not guilty plea.
Okay, for the purpose of arraignment, I will enter a guilty plea. Ms. Jackson, is it correct you're going to plead guilty to 1 count of improper plates with the other count to be dismissed?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Potts about your case today?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to July 16th, 2016, around 5:00 p.m. in the area of 7 Mile and Monica in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2016 Ford Silver vehicle without insurance.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will amend it to improper place, dismiss the remaining count. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, I'm
Yes.
going to waive fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything to the court. So that's $290, you don't have to pay. I'm doing that because of the pandemic. So all you have to pay is reinstatement fees. That's $45 a count, and that goes to the Secretary of State.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Let's do Mr. Jafar. Okay. Calling case U 533-97719. People Bahaluddin Jafar.
Yes.
This is the date set for a review. Appearance?
For the record, Your Honor, Colton Potts, on behalf of Mr. Jafar, who appears by Zoom. Mr. Jafar, please state your name for the record, sir.
My name Bahaluddin, last name Jafar.
Your Honor, today date time set for review in this matter. I did have the opportunity to speak to Mr. Jafar. He understands that there were some things that he was ordered to do as a result of his sentence. He told me that he was unable to do so because of the pandemic, so we're just requesting more time to complete these tasks.
Okay, did he pay at all? Did you pay the $190?
No, I pay now. I
You
pay
paid us-
online. Can I
you
pay
pay the-
online? Because I call anybody does not ask me. I call anything a close because I need my close. My file, please. I need to close because my case.
Can you pay the $190 today?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I will close this matter out if you pay by the end of the day.
Okay, I will now.
You can pay online.
Yes. Website. What is the website?
36districtcourt.org.
36. Okay.
Just Google 36 District Court. It'll pop up.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Any
Everything
questions?
is closed.
After you pay, it will be closed out.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's do Anthony Jones. Is Anthony Jones on the call? Oh, he's right here. I'm like, where did he go? Okay, hold on. If for some reason we get disconnected, just call back, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Okay. So Mr. Potts, Mr. Jones is on the telephone. I'm gonna have him speak as loud as possible so that he can hear you, okay?
Okay, and the offer is ready to display?
Yes.
Okay.
Calling case, or I should say, do you want to talk to Mr. Jones? I forgot you haven't talked to him yet.
I could talk to him. I mean, I could go over the offer now.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take it off of YouTube live and give you the opportunity to speak to